guys, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustler TV. Today I'll be doing a lace wig install with cut layers in the front, and today's hair is provided by Julia Hair. They sent over this beautiful 22-inch highlighted blonde and brown wig, and this wig is so pretty. I love working with wigs this color because you do not have to custom highlight it yourself. It already comes custom highlighted, and this wig was actually super soft, and it looked even longer than what it said it was. Like it said it's a 22, but it looks like a 26-inch wig, so it's definitely more than your money's worth. And today I'll be installing this wig and doing a style I have not done on my channel yet, which is like the middle part with some cut layers in the front. Now this has become a popular look due to Arrogant Tay. He has been doing like these throwback looks, and you know, everybody is just hopping on that trend. So because it is a really pretty style, I definitely wanted to show you guys how I achieve it. So first things first, you know, I went ahead and did my ball cap method, applied the foundation, cleaned her hairline with the lace prep, and now I'm just going to go ahead and go on with my layers of lace matte adhesive. And for her install, I did do 4 layers of that glue. But once I get all of the layers of that glue on, I will go ahead and begin to lay her wig down and do the melting process. So now I'm going to go ahead and begin to lay her lace down into that glue, and you just want to pull it on each side right into that glue. And once you get it where it needs to be, have them hold the side down, and you can go ahead and tack down the other side as well, and then begin to blow dry the lace on the heat setting. And with the heat setting, that helps melt the lace right on in, so that's why I like to use heat. I used to use cool, but I just find it so much, like it feels like it works better on heat, so that's why I no longer use the cool air for this step. But once I get everything all melted in and heated on in, I will go ahead and begin to cut the flaps, the extra lace from around the ears, and then I will begin to razor off the extra lace. And now I'm going to go ahead and razor off the extra lace and tack down wherever else may still be lifting after cutting off the lace. So now that all of that is tacked down, I'm going to go ahead and comb all of that lace back after applying the Tresemme holding spray, and I'm going to go ahead and tie her hairline down with the elastic band. And you do want that elastic band to sit until the holding spray is dry and melted into the lace. And once you do that, you can go ahead and remove it. And I'm just going to quickly comb out the hairline so it is nice and soft. But I went ahead again, also and flat ironed the wig out while it was going through that whole melting process with the melt belt. So now I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my center part and using my Glam Wax stick and just applying that all around to make sure that, just making sure that I can hot comb everything silky, flat, and smooth. And once I get all of that done, I will go ahead and conceal the part and begin the cutting of the layers. Now, you guys know usually when I style, I like to work with one side at a time. So now that I have everything hot combed out on that side, I'm going to go ahead and pull down a section for my baby hair. And you just want to pull out nice little thin sections. Because the Bruce's brown is very, very light, but I'm still going to give her some baby hair for this look. So I just pulled out a sideburn piece, a little piece in the middle, and one right at the top. And I'm going to go ahead and cut that baby hair and swoop it right on down. So now I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same steps to the other side as well. I have the baby hairs over here slayed, and now I'm going to do the other side. And now because the roots are super brown, you can't really see the part, so that's why I'm going to go in with the concealer, and I'm going to use a slightly lighter shade so that part could really stand out. And you see that really makes a big difference when you conceal that part. But now I'm going to go ahead and begin to cut my layers. Like what I like to do is just go in with razor comb or scissors, but today I just chose the scissors, and I just like to start cutting down in a diagonal angle, and I just like to like jacket the scissors all the way down until I get the desired amount of the desired amount cut off that I want to be cut to give me that really curved look once I go ahead and bump it. So I'm just going to do the same thing to both sides until I'm satisfied. And even after bumping it, I did go back in some more and just really make those layers more noticeable. So just go down at a diagonal with scissors, or you can use a razor comb and just trim that hair off in a diagonal. I'm just going to take my large flat iron, this is by Remington, and just bump that everything that I cut, because I really need those layers to be visible after bumping. And I do give it a nice little bump underneath so it can really curve into the face. And as I mentioned, I will go back in and cut some more until I am satisfied with the like the look of the layers. And now I'm just going to go in some more and clean it up. But that will pretty much sum up this installation video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will drop the finishing results at the end once you stand up so you can really see the slate. So thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you on the next installation video. Till next time.